Alright, guys. Jesus Christ, that's loud. Alright, guys. Um, Sorry for taking so long. Sorry. Been going through a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Um, so I had to take myself away for a second. But I'm here now. Savannah, Mango. This look hot. Zine, so we are pre it out, see what going. Vanna in a dancer style. Cute, your fret. Love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. But say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. I am enjoying this. Yo, she hot. You see me? I love her like mango right now. I don't even like mango. Just Christ. Stop look for me, so please. You don't want to come in the screen. I'm press play. Sorry. Look at me closely, coming on, tell you no lie. Won't compete with no other, where you feel like men and try. Such a sweetie skin clean, well meant to clear up your signals. Me love you like mango, better you. Okay. Guys, me love this. Me love this, right? Clearly, Jano, look for the mango them. Oh boy, I don't even know what to say at this point in time because I just look for her like crazy. I don't even need no other woman in the video. The girl just, you're hot. She hot. Really beautiful black woman, trust me. My mind is going places. Give me some loving, see how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something, but say me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving, see how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Should I meet you first, cause the rest of them did have a waste man vibes. True. Can't believe how you're patient, intelligent, and kind. Quick suggestion, meet me at the clock, halfway tree stop light. What up, that girl there? Make we jump on a bus down a town, we will show you my side. Me love you like mango. Me love that girl there. I better you give me some loving. Good girl. How I first met that girl there? Why she did the mango so? She crushed out the what? How she make that look sexy? Maybe something wrong with my mind. You see me? How she make that look sexy? She make cutting the mango look sexy. She a Jano. She have him hungry. For mango people. Mango. I don't shit. Alright. Let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. Imagine it be nice. Feeling alright, honey. I just want to say you mess with my mate, but in the best way. Okay. Giving me hope for the future, cause I see you there. The right
Girl can sing, you
So
know.
glad you came. I love you like my love. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go.
What the hell?
Imagine it be nice and something. But say me love you like my love.
Who is this girl?
I better you give me some
You see
loving.
them a shake?
See how far we can go.
I'm
Imagine it
loving
be
this.
nice. Imagine it feel nice. Ah.
No want meet you.
Imagine it would feel nice.
Jesus
I
Christ.
love you
And
like
she
this is
enjoy
sweet
she enjoy herself.
love.
Me I enjoy
And you
myself too.
just do it right. I love you like you do it right. You feel nice. One more time.
Alright, so this just proves that sexiness really and truly, you have to leave some things to mind. You know, make the mind wander. Cause trust me, I mean I say she full of clothes, right? Um, but she was extremely sexy. And she never naked. You understand? And the words were clearly very suggestive, right? But still clean to the point where you can play everywhere. You understand? Me can play around my little cousin. And he would even realize how I go on. Ugh. I loved it, right? Um, guys, just me have a look for some more videos right now for that girl, yeah. Some more music with that girl there. Please just like, share, subscribe. Me have something to do right now. Later, guys.